Hi, welcome back to my little corner of the internet. Today we're going to learn how to do double crochets. To do double crochet, we're going to wrap some yarn around our crochet hook and then we're going to go through the third stitch on the chain. Once you go through the third stitch, grab some more yarn and pull it through. You should have 3 loops on the hook. Grab some more yarn and pull it through the first 2 stitches like so. Then go ahead and grab more yarn and pull it through the next 2 loops to complete the double crochet. Continue this until you finish the row. To continue to the next row, chain 2 and flip. Continue going through the double crochet through this loop. Here's my crochet hook showing you which loop you should go through. This one right here. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content in the future. Thank you.